Guys, this is a car crash. I don't know why I'm recording the Anaheim police. This is a car crash. Where's the fire truck? There's only a police car and the wheels are literally tilted. Now, I don't know what happened, but the other car might have went. The people might have went to the hospital. Yeah. I guess this is it. I guess the world's now ending as we speak. And I think the tires already popped off or something because of the car crash. You can see guys just standing on. If you don't know, I do real life videos on this channel. Yeah. Thanks for watching, I guess. And bye-bye. Have a nice